What's up, guys? This is John with Salt Strong. Today we're going to be doing some inshore fishing down at Pensacola Bay. Going to be fishing for some reds or some mackerel, whatever will bite. We're only going to be using a spoon today. That's it, nothing else at all. We're going to see what we can catch. Hopefully we have a good day. We'll see. But we'll see you down at the water. Peace. Got us one. Oh, Spanish. Baby Spanish. Look at that. Let me get my fish grips out. Nifty old fish grips. These things work amazing. This fish may be too small. Way too small for the fish grips. He absolutely destroyed it. Decent fish though, not quite big enough. Oh, we got us one. This is a decent one. This is a decent fish, boys. This is a decent fish for sure. Decent fish. We got us another Spanish, guys. And he's little, but he's foul hooked. That's why he felt so big. Look, he's barely hooked. He's barely hooked right in the top. Wow. Let's get him off. Barely hooked. Goodbye. A lot of small Spanish out here today. Gonna see if we can hook old mama. Yeah guys, when you foul hook one like that in the side of the body, it makes them feel, I swear, about 5 times bigger. So I've seen a little bit of bait over here in this spot, not a whole lot, but I kind of like to pick my one spot when I'm on this bridge and basically just fish the hell out of it. Usually when you see bait jumping a little bit, there's usually fish around, so we shall see. Got one little thing. Not sure what that is. Not sure what that is at all, guys. If y'all know, let me know. Have no idea. On to the next. Stuck to our spoon. Just had something jump. A lot of activity now. I should say increased. It's not crazy, but oh, we got us one. That's another one of those fish that I have no idea what it is. This one's a little smaller. I have no idea. No idea. May need our pliers for this one. Back at it. It was weird, he felt a little bigger than he was. well, guys, it wasn't a great day out there. We caught a few, but the bite was kind of slow. I'll be doing these videos a couple times a week at the least, so hopefully we'll have better luck next time. If y'all will, please subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, hit the like button below, and I'll see you guys next time. I appreciate it.